Good morning, students. I hope you all have seen part 1 and part 2 of chapter 2 environmental pollution. In part 2 we discussed about the land pollution and air pollution. Now moving ahead in this part 3 we are going to discuss about noise pollution. Now let us start. Noise pollution. Apart from air and water pollution, noise pollution has increased as well. See, noise pollution that is also increasing day by day. A part of that, water pollution is a, air pollution is a, land pollution, but noise pollution that is also increased. And the noise created by the machine in industries, vehicles, etc. is very loud. And during festivals and celebrations, because of loudspeakers, DJ bands, etc. are used. See, the noise pollution that is created by heavy machines making intense sound in factories, and the sound that is made by vehicles, and the loudspeaker and the musical instrument that are played in the high volume and pitch, these all things that creates the noise pollution. And see, noise pollution is also created by playing musical instrument loudly or by bursting noisy firecrackers. See, exploding crackers also on a large scale that also cause noise pollution. And during the this we when we firecracker we have during the festival times and the victory in any game or election, if there is a victory we burst firecracker that creates noise pollution. The city has maximum number of buses, auto rickshaws and two wheelers, and haphazard parking leads to congestions of vehicles, and the subsequent blowing of horns create noise pollution. See, noise pollution that also leads because of all these things, the two wheelers that are increasing the number of buses and auto rickshaws, and because of the noise that makes from the vehicles during the parking also, and all these because of blowing horns also creates affects our ears and creates the noise pollution. Noise pollution leads to deafness and affects mental and emotional health also. People become more irritable. We become irritated when we hear loud music, and it affects our ears and leads to the deafness. And it has adverse effect on mental health also because of loud noise. Nature is affected badly due to the excessive noise, and whole nature is affecting. Certain insects and organisms that are very helpless to us die due to loud noise. It has become necessary to keep signboards regarding reading no honking or silence please near the school, dispensaries, hospitals, etc. This shows the seriousness of noise pollution. See, to noise pollution that leads us so various problems that are being created by the noise pollution, that factories, noise from the factories, noise from the vehicles, loudspeaker, and it leads to the deafness also by firecracker, and all this affects the nature also badly. Certain insects or organism are also and they are very helpful to us, die by they be helpful to us in spite of noise, they die. And it has become necessary, it has been when you go to any school or in the if you visit any doctor place or hospitals or dispensary, there you see no honking, silence please signboards you see somewhere, or the picture of sign board that silence please, maintain silence. This all shows the seriousness of the noise pollution. It is very important that the citizen themselves understand about it. See, it is important that we should understand about it and prevent it, cure ourselves from all these things. We should not play musical instrument very loudly during celebration or special occasion. What should be done to prevent noise pollution? That loudspeaker, radios, television, or other musical instrument should be played at a very low volume. The firecrackers should be avoided. The next, when in the during the festival times or some special occasion, we should not bust firecracker producing loud noise. Vehicles should be sent for servicing at proper interval. See, the vehicles also should be sent for check also, and proper interval. We have to check the PUC level must be strict. Uh, Population increase must be controlled. Because of this population increase also, we should pay attention to it. To reduce the noise pollution, trees should be planted on both the sides of the roads and around industries. See, trees also should be planted interval that trees should be planted on both the sides of the road. But because of that, it controls around this industries also, it controls the noise pollution. To reduce noise pollution, because of that only we have to plan that when we walk on a, when we move on the road, how why we see there are trees being planted in the middle of both the sides, or middle or the both the sides of the road. Why? Because to control this noise pollution. And the road should be broad enough. It should be, if it is a traffic conjunction is intensive, then the road could be declared as a one way also. Awareness and appropriate action is needed to us to save ourselves from pollution. See, to prevent the noise pollution, all these things should be taken care, and industries should be established away from the settlement. Forestation should be done around them, and the vehicular sound should be also minimized by growing trees on both the sides of the main roads. All these things should be taken to curb this noise pollution. We all are aware how valuable water is. See, we all know that water is very important for our life. How much water is important for our life, we all know. And still, while purchasing a bottle of mineral water, we do not realize its importance. See, we realize about the importance of water, but then too also we purchase water bottle of mineral water. And today, pure water is not only concern. Gandhiji has said that water, land, and forest belong to the community. Everybody enjoys equal right on it, and it is a moral sin to make its commodity for sale. And among man made problems, the water pollution holds the highest priority. See what source has Gandhiji called universal source. See, Gandhiji has said that the source of water, forest, and land are universal, and everybody has the equal right to them. And it is our moral sin to make them into a commodity for sale and to prevent it. See, water, land, and vehicle, forest are the commodity resources, and to make them business commodity is a moral crime also, and we should take care of it. Among man-made problems, all the man-made problems arises water pollution, they hold that is the highest priority, and we have to find the answer to it, and responsibility has to be shared equally, and we have to share our responsibility equally to save all this thing water by everybody. By creating awareness, there should be awareness for all this pollution that is being created. And first of all, we have to save water. If water is saved, our life is saved, because we are dependent on air, water, and every person has to understand his or her responsibility and has to find various measures to make our environment cleaner and healthier. See, water pollution is the foremost among the created by human problems, and it is our collective responsibility to prevent or to reduce all these type of pollution and to make our environment clean and healthy. See, over here it is written, be a, all the slogans have been given for the social awareness. See, what are they? Be a compassionate citizen, save the environment, environment will save us, save animals. See, all these slogans are for our social awareness. So we come to know how to save our earth, and to make have awareness among the people, and to prevent all these air, water, and noise pollution, land pollution. I hope you all have understood this chapter. Thank you.